Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy veggie broth. And with the holidays right around the corner, you're going to want this in your fridge. So what I do is I save all my veggie scraps like carrots, potatoes, onions. What else do I have in here? Green beans, green onions, mushrooms, and I just put them in this Ziploc bag. And as I gather them, I put them in the freezer. You can do this for up to 6 months. And then once the bag is full, then I decide I'm gonna make veggie broth. And this is how you do it. We're gonna dump all this into this pan. It's pretty full. And then we're going to cover this with water. So I decided I'm going to move it into a bigger pan. This one, it's going to be a little tight. So we're just going to do that. Then I'm just going to cover this with some water. To this water, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to add a couple cloves of garlic and a couple bay leaves. Now you can season this however you'd like. You don't have to put anything in if you don't want, or you can just add whatever seasonings you would like. So now I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil, and then we're going to let this boil for at least 30 minutes. So my veggie scraps have been boiling for about 40 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and strain it, and you'll see the beautiful rich color. So we just have a little wire mesh strainer over a bowl. And we're just going to pour this through, and voila, you have vegetable broth. Beautiful. So with this veggie broth, all I do is I put it into mason jars. It's good in the fridge for 4 or 5 days, or you could actually freeze it up to 3 months. A great idea is putting them in ice cube trays, and then you can just pop out what you need if you need to make soup or gravy or whatever. So give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.